Hello guys, and welcome you to Money Close FX Education YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you the most accurate order block indicator. And as we all know, we don't have 100% accurate indicator, but the most important thing you're supposed to know is how it can be reliable, or have ideas of how you can make it accurate. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can really use this order block indicator and for you to execute your order and to really know it is a reliable order block. Okay, there is a challenge we all have as forex traders. Some people don't know how to identify a valid order block. Okay, we do say we identify a valid order block from the higher time frames. Some will tell you on lower time frames, so it creates confusion. And sometimes when you spot this order block, you tend to lose your money and you're like, oh my god, how have I lost this money? And the order block I had identified was a valid one. Okay, so that's why most people rely on indicators, so that indicators will help them identify an order block. We have indicators that do identify an order block, and they are not that accurate because they are also made by traders like us, and we don't expect it to be 100% accurate. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how we can use this order block indicator to identify a valid order block and how we can rely on it to execute your order, and what will make you know it is a valid. You just don't execute your order simply because you have seen an order block. The only thing you really have to do is waiting for confirmation to let you know that it was indeed a valid order block. Okay, so guys, that's what you really have to know. Allow me to welcome new people in this channel. If you came across my channel for the very first time, welcome to this amazing home, and join us by subscribing to this channel, because I believe and I know this is where you belong. If you're already part of this family, I salute you and I salute you. Okay, so guys, let's get right into this video. It's all about an order block Tradingview indicator, because the indicator itself is found on Tradingview.com. Some people do ask me, how can I access this Tradingview? What I will tell you is just go on your browser and type Tradingview.com. Once you do that, create an account with them, and once you have created an account with them, you can access as many indicators as well. They have pro and they have a free version. You can start with the free version before you upgrade. Okay, so guys, this indicator is very free. You don't have to buy it. It's actually very free. So what you're supposed to do right about now is clicking on indicators tab right here. Once you click on it, you type order block. I'm going to click on order blocks with signals. So here it is, boom, the order is on a lap. So just going to click on it the first time, and then you click on it the second time. Okay, and this is how it appears right on your chart. Okay, so as you can see guys, I am on 1 hour time frame, but you're going to do some changes right here on indicator 2. You're just going to click on settings, and under sensitivity we can do it 45 and click on OK. So this is how it looks like right on your chart. So this is 1 hour time frame, and as you can see guys, it has already identified all the order blocks we really need on 1 hour chart. And the reason why I can advise you to use it 1 hour time frame, simply because order blocks on higher time frames, they tend to be very reliable comparing them to lower time frames. Okay, so I will urge you to use this order block indicator on 1 hour chart. We're just going to back test and see what was really happening before. Once we see what was happening before, then we're going to lower time frames, and I will show you how you can really rely on this order block indicator for you to execute your orders. Okay, they are very reliable and important as well. Okay, so guys, as you can see right here, we have very many order blocks identified right here. We have them here, we have them here, we have them here, we have them here. Remember, this is 1 hour chart. Okay, and we have it right about now. So guys, I was in the market right about now, and I happen to have inserted this order block right here, and I was watching around this zone. Okay, and as you can see guys, this is an order block that was identified right here. So what this particular indicator does, it identify, or rather it draws an order block zone. So these are order block zones. All these zones that you're seeing right here, it makes it very easy for you even to execute your order. So guys, as I've told you before, I was watching this zone with this indicator right here, and believe me you, when price got into order block zone over here, let me tell you, there was a reversal and this market went up to this point over here. And as you can see right here, so let's say I was scalping, I could have scalped like over 80 pips up to this level over here, and this will be my take profits, and I put my stop loss below the lows over here and take all these pips. Okay, so how can you really know this is a valid order block? So as I've told you before, we're just going to back test and see what was happening before. This was an order block right here, and you can see guys, the market was unable to break above. So for you to know it is a valid order block, there is something we call break of structure. If you really don't know the break of structure and you're a forex trader, I pity you. I really pity you. Learn about break of structure. This gives you a clear confirmation whether any confirmation is valid or not. Okay, so here guys, you can see we had order blocks identified here on 1 hour time frame, and you can see guys, we had break of structure simply because the market was unable to break this structure over here, was unable to break above this order block zone over here. It was also unable to break this zone over here, and it proceeded to the downside. Once it proceeded to the downside, this order block indicator will actually guide you, because right here, as you can see, it is an order block zone and there is a break of structure and the market proceeded to the downside. Okay, most of the times when you buy, it will happen that the market will come to the zones that they have been identified, and they will react to the zone, as you can see right here. Once they react to the zone, like here we have big wicks, you can take your sell order. You can always look for break of structure. You can use break of structure to determine your entries. Okay, so let's go to lower time frames. I'm talking about 1 hour. This is what happened right here on back testing. And let's go to lower time frames and see what was really happening on 5 minute time frame. And guys, if you love this video, kindly like it, give it a thumbs up, because I know it is gonna help you to really execute your order. I'm talking about something I really know it works. So these are the order block zones that they have been identified from the higher time frames. As you can see, this was a 1 hour time frame. And when you come to lower time frames, okay, you see the same zone. You are on higher time frames, and when you come to lower time frames, you see the same zone over here. Okay, you're supposed to really know it is indeed a valid order block zone. Like here we had a bullish engulfing candle which pushed the market to the upside. Okay, you understand? So when the market drops, you will see it will react to this zone over here unless it breaks it below. But meanwhile, it has been reacting to this zone, and you can see guys, you could have scalped all these pips. You could have scalped all these pips. To repeat what I've really just said, when you see an order block zone from the higher time frames rhyming with the lower time frames, just know it's a valid zone that you should be looking for confirmation. You can use the candlestick patterns, you can use the chart patterns, you can use the double top, double bottom, all the confirmation, you know, and as well as the double top and double bottoms. Like here, there was a very big bullish engulfing candle, and guys, the market pushed to the upside. Of course, you could have targeted this zone over here because this is your resistance zone and the market reacted to it. Okay, so you should be watching around this zone over here. Okay, I hope guys you have learned something from this video, that the easiest way and the most accurate order block finder or order block indicator, it is found on tradingview.com. I wish you nothing but the best, guys. Continue working hard, because I know one day your hard work will pay. So if you're new in this channel, you came across it for the very first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and be part of this family, because a lot more is coming. And don't forget to like this video. What do I say, guys? Bye. See you in my next video.